I literally broke the YouTube Shorts algorithm. I'm talking over millions of views, tons of subscribers, and pulling in thousands of dollars. In this video, I'm stripping away all the gatekeeping and handing you the exact step-by-step blueprint. I'm going to show you a brain-dead simple niche that anyone can start today, even if you have zero experience with YouTube automation, zero design skills, and zero budget. But let's get one thing straight before we even touch a video editor. This is not a get-rich-quick, push a button and buy a Lambo scheme. It took me months of relentless grinding to hit these numbers. If you're looking for overnight success and aren't willing to put in the actual work, I'm sorry, but click off the video right now. This isn't for you. If you are still here, good. Let's build the machine. We start with creating the channel. It sounds basic, but if you screw this up, you are getting shadow banned into the shadow realm. YouTube doesn't officially confirm shadow bans, but what actually happens is they restrict your initial reach to 0 if they think you're a spam bot. You don't just avoid a shadow ban. You have to actively build channel trust from day one. To do this, use an ancient Google account that already has normal search history, watch history, and comment history. The algorithm trusts natural behavior. If you don't have an old account, don't panic. Create a brand new one, but you have to warm it up for 5 to 7 days to forge a digital footprint. Go undercover and act like a normal human being. Watch videos every day, drop likes, leave natural comments, and subscribe to channels you actually enjoy. Do not instantly upload a video. Build the trust first. Next, go into your YouTube settings and verify your phone number. Unverified channels scream burner account to the algorithm. As for keywords, ignore them for now. In my experience, they don't move the needle for a brand new Shorts channel. For your branding, keep it stupid simple. For the logo, you must use a human face or a recognizable character. Our monkey brains are biologically obsessed with faces. We even see them in inanimate objects. If you have a face as your logo, people notice you faster and click more. Just upload a square image. For the banner, open Canva. Search YouTube banner and pick a template that has borders around the center. Why? Because we need it to look perfectly framed on mobile, desktop, and TV. Change the text, adjust the colors, make sure everything stays inside the safe zone, download it, and hit publish. If you've done this, you're already ahead of 99% of people who say they'll start, but never do. Take 5 seconds right now to drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Now that the channel is a fortress of trust, our only focus is getting monetized. You need 1,000 subscribers and 10 million views. I know it sounds insane, but relax. Instead of wasting your warm-up week looking at random YouTube videos, use that time to hunt down trending videos. Open YouTube in an incognito tab so your personal algorithm doesn't feed you your own trash. Search for football. Right now, YouTube is pushing football content more than ever because of the World Cup. Click the Shorts tab. We are not trying to brainstorm the best topic from scratch. That is a loser's game. We are going to find videos that are already going stupidly viral and reverse engineer them. Scroll until you find a whale. Open the description, check the views, and check the date. For example, I found a video ranking football's best moments, but it was narrated by AI, which is perfect because football is trending no matter what time of the year it is, and it's monetizable if you edit it correctly. Now we have to recreate it. Listen to me carefully. Notice I said recreate, not steal. If you download someone else's video and re-upload it, YouTube will snipe your channel from orbit. You'll get hit with copyright strikes, you'll make $0, and your account will get deleted. Never steal. Recreate the concept to comply with YouTube's policies. How do you write a script that hooks? Simple. Grab the transcript of the viral video you're modeling and put your own spin on it. It's better to rewrite it yourself, but if you're lazy, feed it to ChatGPT. But I personally think writing a couple of funny narration will work better on this niche. Now, we need footage. First, hunt down the actual football footages that you find interesting. I personally like to download an old compilation video with lots of views because it already proved that this video has good clips inside. Download them. Do not pay for voiceovers. Go to Google AI Studio. It is 100% free and completely unlimited. On the homepage, hit Playground, then go to Text-to-Speech. Select the single speaker option, paste your script, pick a voice that sounds human, hit Run, and click the 3 dots to download the audio file. Done. Time to stitch the Frankenstein monster together. Open CapCut. We aren't just slapping clips together, we are actively editing to add value so YouTube doesn't flag us for inauthentic content and demonetize the channel. Import your voiceover and your video clips. Drop the audio onto the timeline first. Do not touch the videos yet. Listen to the voiceover and aggressively manipulate the pacing. Cut out the dead air. Add dramatic pauses where necessary. You are weaponizing the pacing to hold attention. Once the audio rhythm is flawless, drag your video clips on top and trim them to match the audio perfectly. Add sound effects, smooth transitions, auto captions, and background music. Mix the audio levels so the music isn't drowning out the voice. Export. You've done the hard part, but you'd be stunned by how many people fumble the bag at the finish line. The type of content you post dictates your YouTube payment because of RPM, revenue per mila, how much YouTube pays you per 1,000 views. What boosts your RPM? Geography. Views from English-speaking heavyweights like the US, UK, and Australia pay out massively compared to the rest of the world. That's exactly why we use English AI voiceovers and English captions. You attract a premium audience, your RPM skyrockets. Listen closely. Never use a VPN to upload your content. I repeat, never. It triggers the algorithm's spam detection and makes you look like an automated bot farm. Open the YouTube app on your phone. Hit the plus icon, select your edit, and tap next. Write a title stuffed with highly searched keywords. Scroll through the video timeline and manually select the absolute most unignorable, clickable frame to set as your thumbnail. This keeps the video pulling traffic for months after the initial algorithmic spike. Make sure the audience is set to not for kids. Hit upload. Once it's live, close the app. Do not sit there refreshing and rewatching your own video to boost the view count. Let the algorithm breathe. Aim to post one video every single day. This feeds the algorithm the consistency signals it craves. YouTube heavily favors long-term reliable uploaders over one-hit wonders. Fridays and weekends are prime time. But absolutely do not post more than 3 a day, or you'll trigger the spam filters and get suppressed. Now, the harshest truth in YouTube automation: views jail. If your channel is stuck at 0 views, 1,000 views, or 10,000 views after a full month of daily uploading, burn the channel to the ground and start a new one. Why? Because the algorithm has put an invisible loser tag on your account based on your early performance. It assumes your content appeals to nobody. Once that pattern is hard-coded into your channel's data, it is almost impossible to break out. Don't be romantic about dead channels. Pivot and improve. This final step will permanently change how you view YouTube. The algorithm is a cold, ruthless, relentless machine. It does not care about your personality, your niche, or how hard you worked on the video. It only cares about one metric: retention. If viewers stay till the end, YouTube pushes it to millions. If they swipe away in 3 seconds, the algorithm kills your video instantly. To manipulate that graph, you have to engineer your video into 3 psychological phases. The hook. This is life or death. If they swipe at second 2, your masterpiece at second 15 doesn't exist. Assault their senses instantly. Stack an audio, visual, and text hook, all at the exact same time. The body. Relentlessly fast. Zero confusion. Constant jump cuts. Micro zooms. Eradicate every single millisecond of dead space. The reward. The payoff goes at the very end. The exact millisecond the story resolves, cut the video. Don't linger. Hit them with one frictionless call to action and get out. If you want this to actually work, re-watch this video to absorb every detail. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and go build your empire.